Good evening, folks. Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Cyclone Niren's making a fast getaway from the mainland, never to be seen again, which is lucky because it's now grown to Category 4. All coastal wind warnings have been cancelled, but a weak secondary pulse of southeasterlies will start pushing north over the weekend. Today's tops range from 28 degrees at Yeppoon to 35 at Rocky. The March average for Rockhampton is around 30-31 for something to compare with. Let's look at the satellite loop now. You can see the cyclone's become quite a monster now at Category 4. It's got a very well-defined eye, and of course it's continuing to really race quickly across or away from the Queensland coast. It's probably similar intensity at the moment to Cyclone Tracy back in '74, so it's quite a system. Across Queensland, of course, it's been fairly quiet, but we have seen a few random showers and little storms erupt in the tropical half of the inland part of the state. Now on today's chart, there you can see the cyclone. It's almost 1,000 kilometres east of Cairns now, which is about the distance between Brisbane and Sydney, which makes it nice and safe and far away, but it's still having an effect to some degree, although you can see that over Queensland now there's virtually isn't an isobar, and that's why the wind's been so light and it's been so very warm. On tomorrow's chart, everything changes because this new surge of southeasterlies, not that strong, comes in behind the next front. And then on the outlook chart, as the cyclone continues to race off the page, never to be seen again, the winds drop and the high comes back and we get back to mostly sunny weather. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Capricornia waters, east to southeast winds 10 to 15 knots tomorrow on a 2 metre swell. Sunday's winds and Monday, easterly 10 to 15 knots. We've got neap tides this weekend, happens once a fortnight on the half moon, and it means there's minimal water movement between high and low tide. The Capricornia District forecast, a hot and sunny day. 31 degrees for Gladstone, 35 for Rocky, 36 at Billow, and Yeppoon 29. Central Highlands and Coalfields fine and sunny, with Emerald reaching 37 degrees again, Claremont 36 and Moranbah 35. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, temperatures remaining above average in the coming week. It'll dry up quickly after Sunday's brief pulse of wet weather, but showers will start trickling in again from Wednesday. Tonight's happy snap was taken from the Noosa hinterland on the last morning of February. The outline of the fog layer is beautifully crisp, and you'll find scenes like this becoming more common as the autumn nights get longer and cooler. Thanks Leanne Airy for the photo. Have a fab weekend, one and all, and now it's back to the team.
Good on you, Liv. Thank you, mate. Have a nice weekend. We'll catch you back on Monday night.
And just also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app. And from all of us here, enjoy your weekend. Good night.
Good night.
Tonight on 7 News, the AstraZeneca jab